So here in front of us we have our 64-7 flush mount kit for the coupes. This is the back window. This is our insert that we made. Our insert gets bonded into the car. It's moved all the way back, and we've added to the front to be able to work with the original piece of glass. And this is a original piece of glass fitting in here. So we have the rear insert. It's going to get epoxied in is what I suggest. And then you'll urethane the glass into that insert when you're done. We have our one-piece rear window. Trim from the inside. And then we have our headliner that goes with this to complement it all. And then also the 4 pieces of the windshield frame with the bezel for the windshield. But it's what we're showing you here. We already have that windshield frame done in one of our videos with the split window, because the split window we did first. This is just showing you the concept of the whole kit, showing the rear glass bezel, inside trim and headliner, and the rest of the stuff comes with it as well. The kits are priced for all the fiberglass to do it, and you can use your OEM glass if it's good enough, or you can reach out to some of the aftermarket folks that make the glass and go with new glass, depending on if you want clear, shaded, tinted, however you want to do it. So 64-7 flush mount rear window kit. Thanks for watching.